In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently remove a data source in Looker Studio. Whether you're looking to detach it from a specific report or want to delete it entirely from your workspace, I've got you covered. We'll break this down into simple steps to ensure you can follow along effortlessly. Let's begin with the first option: removing a data source from a report. Sometimes you might find yourself needing to unlink a data source while still maintaining the option to use it later, without permanently deleting it. Lucky for us, Looker Studio makes this process quite straightforward. Firstly, you need to access your report in edit mode. This part is essential because it allows you to manage the elements within your report, including the data sources. Once you're in edit mode, look to the top menu and select Resource. From there, a drop-down menu will appear, and you'll want to choose Manage Added Data Sources. This option opens up a list of all the data sources currently tied to your specific report. Now, this is where you'll locate the data source you intend to remove. Take your time to identify the correct one to ensure you're not unlinking the wrong source. Once you've found the data source you wish to remove, you'll notice an option labeled Remove right next to it. Clicking on Remove will detach the source from the report. While this step is quite simple, there's a crucial point to keep in mind. After removing the data source, any charts or components in your report that rely on it will trigger a configuration incomplete error. It means these parts of your report are missing their necessary data source. To remedy this, you'll need to replace the data source with an alternative one, or remove the impacted components altogether. Be sure to review your report carefully to ensure everything is functioning correctly after making changes. By following these steps, you can easily unlink a data source from your report without the risk of losing it entirely from your Looker Studio workspace. This approach is particularly useful if you think you might need that data source again in the future. This concludes our walkthrough on removing a data source from a report within Looker Studio. I hope you found these instructions clear and helpful. Implementing these tips should help you better manage your reports and data sources, allowing for a smoother, more efficient use of Looker Studio. Stay tuned for more tutorials to help you navigate your way through other features of this powerful tool. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments section. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.